You've heard it before. Email is dead. But really? Then someone better tell Amazon, Apple, and every MSP I work with that's still closing deals from their inbox that that's not the case. I run marketing campaigns for MSPs every day, and I've seen a single email turn into a $36,000 deal. So trust me when I say, email isn't dead. You're just doing it wrong. The inbox isn't a graveyard. It's seriously prime real estate. Think of social media like a noisy block party, fun, but full of distractions, right? Email, that's your invite to step inside, one-on-one. When someone gives you their email, they're giving you permission, and you earned the right to stay there by showing up consistently, helpfully, and like a human being. So here's where most MSPs mess up. They only email when they need something, like a webinar form fill or a promo to a push. And then you guys disappear for months. If that's your strategy, congratulations. You've officially become the hey stranger guy. Here's what to do instead. Show up consistently, guys, even when you're not selling anything. Be useful. Share quick wins, client stories, or a simple checklist. Be human. Write like you're talking to one person, not your mailing list. Keep your subject line short, clear, and positive. That's your open rate lifeline. And here's the kicker. You own your email list. So not Facebook, not LinkedIn, not whatever next big thing your intern is obsessed with. Your list is your asset, your direct line to revenue. Treat it like it. And if you want to learn how to do this the right way, the same strategies I use for CharTech and the MSPs I do marketing for across the country, sign up for our weekly MSP marketing newsletter. Every week, we share quick, actionable tips that actually help you get results from the channels you already have. It's just what works, because email marketing isn't dead. Inconsistent marketing is.